96 is important because we've had pretty much history all the way back to the 1730s on our property. We've had two battles that we had take place in here. In November of 1775, we had a small skirmish that took place around where our rebuilt stockade fort is today. It is important because we had the first patriot that was killed in the South during that November 1775 battle. Then again in 1781, Loyalist Lieutenant Kruger was here. He controlled the town. He had men in the Star Fort. He stockaded the town of 96. In May of 1781, Patriot General Nathaniel Greene came with 1,000 patriots to come and try to take the town and the area away from the Loyalists. His theory was if the Patriots took the Star Fort, then the town and the other stockade would fall. So they set up siege works where they would dig saps and parallels to kind of bring it closer and closer. The Battle of Star Fort is actually when the Patriots, there were 50, called the Forlorn Hope, actually attacked the Star Fort and tried to take it away from them. 30 men were killed outright and 10 were wounded. And at that point, Greene just decided he's had enough. And he also knew that there were about 1,000 men, British, coming to relieve the Star Fort. So he decided that it was time to leave the area. And then the Loyalists kept the town, but only for about another month. Because once reinforcements came, they decided to just raise the town and leave. When the visitors come here, we've got a visitor center, we've got a small museum, and we've got a 10-minute film to kind of introduce you to the history of the park. Then we usually recommend that visitors walk our 1-mile paved trail. It'll take you through the reconstructed siege works, through the original Star Fort, through where the town of 96 was, and up to the reconstructed stockade fort. We also have out front our Black Swan Tavern, which is not original to the site, but it was built in the 1760s, and it was brought here to better preserve it. And we open it up for our living history events. We've also have picnic grounds, and we have many trails. We have horse trails, and we have many walking trails through the park that people can enjoy. We have a lot of living history that takes place here. Every April, we have our big event. We have either Revolutionary War Days or we have our Lifeways event. During our Revolutionary War Days, we specialized in the Loyalists and the British and the Patriot side. And we'll have musket firings and talks, and we'll have civilians displaying their crafts and different things. During our Lifeways, we'll have people portraying Cherokee Indians and settlers and white traders. Not many people think of South Carolina as being part of the Revolution. When you say Revolution, people think Valley Forge and up north. And actually, there were over 200 battles and skirmishes that took place in South Carolina. And many of them are not preserved. But here at 96, we're part of the Park Service. We are preserved. We're a pristine area. You can come, you can walk history, you can walk where 224 years ago men died for what they believed in. And you can come and experience all that and actually learn about South Carolina's history through the Revolution.